Hi, my name is Jess Plumley, and I'm a Senior Customer Success Manager on the onboarding team here at Sprout Social. Today, I'm going to quickly walk you through how to create an employee advocacy story from the Compose section of your Sprout Social account. Please make note that you will need to have your employee advocacy account connected to your Sprout Social account, and Send to Advocacy will need to be enabled. Contact support if you need assistance connecting your accounts. For more information, search "How do I connect my Sprout and Employee Advocacy accounts" within our Sprout Social Help Center. Let's start by opening up a Compose window within Sprout Social. Access Compose directly from your content calendar or via the large blue button in the upper right-hand corner. Start by selecting your LinkedIn profile from the profile picker. Please note that you can only post from a single LinkedIn profile. Next, compose your LinkedIn post. Once you've completed creating your content, you will need to select a date and time to publish your post. Please only choose one date and time, as duplicating the content to publish on multiple dates will prevent the ability to send this content to Employee Advocacy as a story. Scroll until you see the Create Advocacy Story button and click. If necessary, choose between the LinkedIn post or link option. You'll then see a window appear where you will fill in the advocacy-specific details with your desired information. Don't forget to access the optional Advanced Settings dropdown, where you can apply your advocacy-specific tags, leave an internal note to provide a quick view to your readers about what the content is and why you think it's important to share. You can also choose to feature the story at the top of your designated topics feed. Once you enter the details and click Save, you'll see a summary of your post and preview. Next, open up your Employee Advocacy account, access your Feed tab, and your Employee Advocacy story that you have sent via Sprout Social will appear in your assigned topics feed on the date and time that you have selected.